Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of All Things Cut and Craft. I am Abiola. If you are new to this page, I want to welcome you. I know so many people subscribed recently. You are most welcome. Thank you so much for joining me on this page. So you may not have been seeing me recently. I have a lot of personal life issues going on that I need to sort out. That's why you haven't seen me. But now I think I am putting myself together, and as you must see, as you can see from the backdrop, this is not my usual backdrop, so I want to just let you know that I'll be back shortly, and we'll all be learning everything all together. But for today, I'll be showing you how I made this back to school backpack for my kids. So if you want to learn, keep watching, don't go anywhere, and I will be back very soon. So the backpack came as 3-in-1, and I got them from Walmart. So I actually got two. I have two boys returning to school. So I just used a random font on Cricut. So I already sent that to the machine, then cut that out, and that was how they look like after cutting. Then I also weeded. So if you don't know much about how to do all of this, you can go back and watch my previous video, and then you'll get to know that. So the lunch bag is very nice. I really like that. So I'm going to be cushioning it with that towel, just to not let the heat go through to the other side when I am applying that. And I'll also cushion with my Cricut mat. So from there, I just hit my easy press up. Then I started pressing. So I put the easy press on the second level of the temperature. So because this is iron on, so I just make sure that the heat is not to the extreme. Then I press away. So I repeated the process. I'm just moving it around in a circular motion, and I have it done for me just a few minutes. So if you are new to Cricut, you want to get supplies, and then you want to get started, you will see links in the description, the affiliate link. Feel free to use them to buy whatever you need for your project. And if you have any concern, you need to know more about Cricut, there are some of my videos that introduces Cricut. Check that also in the description. There are links there that will take you there. Just click and you will get there. So I also repeated the same thing for the backpack itself. I cushion it with the towel. I also put the heat press mat, and I also pressed for some minutes in a circular motion until I am done. So after adding all the names on the backpacks and the lunch bag, so I let it cool for some minutes. So you want to peel when it's warm. So that's what I'm doing right there. I'm peeling the backing from the backpack. So after peeling, I review. That is it. That is very simple. So if you have any question about this, don't forget to drop it in the comment area. I will answer your questions. So I decided to put on the lunch bag and the backpack, but I did not put on the purse. That purse is actually for pencils and for school supplies. So maybe I will get to that later. As you can see, they came out really nice. So if you are going to be doing this, you are going to be trying it out, you can tag me on Instagram. I'll be expecting your tag. So thank you so much for watching. If you have learned one or two things, feel free to just give me a like. It helps YouTube to recommend more of my videos, and don't forget to share with friends, share with family. Also leave your comment. What do you think about the backpack and the lunch bag? And I will really appreciate it. Thank you once again for watching. So expect more videos from now on, and I will see you in the next one. This is your favorite crafty friend telling you to create your own happiness because it's in your hands. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.